Hello friends, welcome to Swollen training session. In this lecture we will discuss how many CNC program or operation in this course and start with first program. So let's start. We will discuss the list of program or operation. So the program or operation list is below. The first one is facing operation, second one is stock remove operation, third one is step turning operation, the fourth one is chamfer operation, fifth one step and chamfer operation, the sixth one is fillet operation, seventh is step and fillet operation, groove operation, drilling operation, and the last one is combined operation of all. So next, axis information for turning. First of all we will discuss the axis information. So in turning we just normally use this axis is x axis and this axis is z axis. Now this is the x axis but this is the z axis, and this one is x positive, this one is x negative, this one is z positive and z negative. You will see here the x axis is upper side and the z axis is left right side. So you will see the x is positive upper side and z is positive right side. Okay. So this is some fundamental of axis for turning. So next, our first operation is facing operation. So what is the facing operation? I have an image. You will see I have a stock, the 20 dia with 30 length. You will see I want an object same diameter but the 26 length. You will see here the object. Okay. So I have some cutout presentation also here. Like you will see the blue lines is cut and the red lines is rapid travels. Okay. And the depth of cut is 0.5. So you will see this is some facing operation presentation by cut value. Okay. You will easily understand this image. In next, in facing operation, this is our stock and the cutout also. So you will see I have just shot of this image. Now next is program. So you will see first code is Z00, means rapid travels or positioning. So Z00, X00 and Z00 is here. Now Z00, X10. X10 means X positive. So now my tool is movement upper side here. G00, X10, Z00 is here. Now Z01. So what is the meaning of Z01? Z01 means the linear interpolation. So now Z01, X10 and Z minus 0.5. We will discuss in previous side the Z is negative on left side. So X10 is here and Z0.5 is here. Now the other is Z01, X00, Z minus 0.5 here. You will see now Z00, X10, Z00 means here. Z01, X10 and Z minus 1. Now you will see our 0.5 cut is increase. First is 0.5, second is 1, means just minus 1. Next point is minus 1.5. Another point is minus 2, again minus 2.5, minus 3, means the cut is here. 0.5, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, 3, and next program is here, the 3.5, 4. Okay, so this is the step of our program. And the last one is M30. M30 is used for program end. Now you will see the 20 diameter and 30 length stock is here. So we will check in ECAM software how the facing operation is applied. So you will see this is the ECAM software. Now this is the turning operation. I will just click on this lathe with live tool, just OK. Now the stock is here, but the dimension is here 80 diameter and 60 length. So I will set the 20 diameter and our length is 30 and OK. So you will see this is our stock. Now in turning, our operation is facing operation, you will see. So I will just click on this. See, the material remove value is 2. I will give 4 and OK. Now this is the tool parameter. So I will just click on this. Your operation and the rough or finish is here. Tool position, tool offset, the speed of our tool, the feed off value, coolant value, and the depth cut. You will see here the value is 2.5 mm. I will give 0.5 because our depth cut is 0.5. So I will click on OK and just change the view. Now you will see our stock is visible and the cuts is also visible. After cutting, your object is look like this one because this portion is cut. Okay, now I will just change the view and how will we apply this one? So I will just click on simulation. See, now this is just isometric view, so I will give the top view of and simulation. You will see the cut is here again, again, again and again. Now tool is back. So this is the facing operation. I will just click on OK. Turn this view. So now you will easily understand what is the facing operation. Okay, in ECAM software, the code generate option is also here. Like I will click on generate code and here the generate code. So you will see the code is automatically generate of this program. Okay, so this is a facing operation. I will again open our slide. In next lecture, we will discuss about the stock removal operation. Thank you friends.